Not much further ado. The person of the year is Rai Ramirez.
Okay, seriously. Thank you so much. I appreciate like all the time and effort that you guys spend on me. Like I could have done it without Julio, Marcos, and all of you, and with my 100,000 questions. But thank you so much, and Nicolle, Jose, thank you so much. Like I have 100,000 questions, but I appreciate the effort. And I don't know why I'm so dramatic. I'm sorry, guys.
It's not dramatic. It's probably
It's been really
emotional.
tough.